Hi, y'all. Today we're going to be doing something super simple. Granola bars. More importantly, peanut butter chocolate chip granola bars. For this, we have some old-fashioned oats. We have some honey. We have some mini chocolate chips, a couple eggs, and some peanut butter. But before we get to making this, we're on the road to 500 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to baking. So we're going to start with 3 cups of oats, 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, half a cup of our mini chocolate chips, 2 eggs, and then 1/3 of a cup of honey. Now we're just going to go ahead and get this well mixed up. Once we have it mixed up, we have an 8x11 baking sheet here that we went ahead, put some tin foil in. Now we're just going to spread this out evenly. Alright y'all, so now we're going to throw this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. We want to be very careful with this. If you want to start checking it earlier, go ahead. But we just want, and once the edges start turning brown, we got to pull it out. We don't want to over bake it. So at that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so about 17 minutes, the edges started to brown. We took it out. Now we want this to completely cool. 100% completely cool before we do anything. So I'll bring you back in a little bit. Alright y'all, I've given it a few hours to cool down. Now we're just going to cut these into whatever size squares or bars that you would like. I definitely could have cut those more even, but I didn't. Alright y'all, so there you have it. Homemade chocolate peanut butter granola bars. These are great snacks. For me personally, I'm going on a road trip this weekend. That's why I made these. Good road trip snack. But if you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.